I am Arun Raja, currently studying final year information technology. I recently completed my specialized course with GUVI in artificial intelligence and data science. So before joining GUVI, I was a student focusing on final year studies while exploring various domains like web development and 3D design. I was looking forward to get a structured path to transition myself into a professional AI and DS role. My motivation was to bridge a gap between academic theory and industrial grade implementations. And I also wanted to master advanced topics like machine learning, deep learning, and data science. Be prepared as a high impact career. Many platforms to learn courses, but I felt like GUVI has a strong reputation across communities. And also, it focuses on high hands-on projects and project-based learning, aligns with real-world applications. So I felt like this will be the correct path for me to choose a professional role. By comparing with other platforms, I felt like GUVI is one of the top platform that will help me to learn professional courses with placement support. The overall experiences have been incredibly practical, and most valuable part is that the project and mentorship was most valuable. Working on tangible application helped me solidify my understanding of machine learning concepts. A key moment is that like completing the projects and reviewing it with other mentors is really a helpful opportunity for me to gain to understand myself and I am working with my projects. So this helped me to improve myself regularly on every project, and also the mentorships is excellent. Master pressure. GUVI gave me every opportunity from programming, from mentorship, my projects, or everything. It gave me a way to perform or show my skill set as. But I felt like placement is very good in GUVI. Actually, there are daily I will be getting companies requirement on companies. Favorite mentor is someone who kept me classes. He was very clear in teaching us, and he also solving my doubts. And also, he was supporting from the start to ending of classes. I got placed in Lean SPO solutions in Chennai as an AML engineer with the package of 4.5 LPA. Actually, this was best opportunity for me, ma'am. The placement support is very, very good from being a student to becoming an industry ready engineer, ma'am.